guys, it's Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I'm here with another subscription box you might be a little bit surprised by. It's the Czech Beads exclusive subscription box, and for those who have been with me for a while, you may have seen my video that I did back in June. This was for their very first subscription box ever. So nobody really knew what to expect. I mean, there was a little blurb on their website about what might be included and what you could kind of expect, but you know, it was a first for a lot of us, and I try to be open and honest on my channel. I don't see the point in trying to pretend like I just love everything. I mean, we're all different, we all have different tastes, and I don't want to recommend something that I just don't feel very good about. So while I think Czech Beads Exclusive is an awesome company, I've heard great things about their website. They have so many beautiful beads. At the time, I just couldn't really get behind the box. It just, you know, you can watch the video. I won't ramble on too much about it. But in short, they said they would include findings and things to make jewelry, you know, not just beads. In the first box, there were only beads and the quantities were extremely low. Now, I do understand that what they sent did include some specialty beads that do get pricey. So I'm not saying that they didn't give you the value that you spent on the box, but for me personally, it just wasn't what I was looking for. So, you know, it just wasn't something I was that excited about, just being honest. But I will say, you guys were incredible with all your comments. You left some great feedback on the box. I think a lot of you kind of echoed the sentiments I was saying in my video and gave them a lot of great suggestions and feedback, and they did read your comments. So, I actually stopped my subscription because I couldn't afford to keep one going that I wasn't that pleased about. But I had seen a couple other videos on YouTube from, like, for example, their July and August boxes, and I was very impressed with how much they really improved their box since June. And it was improved enough for me to want to try the subscription again. I think everybody deserves a second chance, and I understand it was their first subscription box. So, of course, you know, over time, they're going to see what their customers want and improve the box, hopefully, and it looks like that's what they did. So anyway, that's my spiel for my preface, if you will, for this box. I had to get that out of the way because I know there was quite a lot of feedback on the video from June. So this is another chance at the Czech Beads exclusive subscription box. I have some high hopes for it because I did see the improvements, and I'm excited to see what's in it. I have no idea. I do know that the theme is like a fall theme, or an autumn theme. So, and this is the September box. So just to let you guys know, their website will be down below in the information section. It is $22 per month, and the shipping is worldwide, which is another benefit of this box, because there are a lot of you who cannot get boxes that I get just due to the shipping costs being prohibitive. But it is a worldwide shipping for $4.47 for a total of $26.47. You can get this box shipped to your door. They do include a lot of newer beads, and like it says, Czech Beads exclusive, they're Czech beads. So without further ado, let's open this up and see what it is. It is a tiny, tiny little box. But it does feel like they packed it full, and I know they did that to help save on some of the shipping. So, let's see. Wow, you guys, look at how many items are in here. 30 items. So, let's take a look one by one. I'll try to speed it along so I don't take too long for you, and we will see what we got. But already, like, look at all these baggies. I'm already a lot happier with this than I was in June, okay? So I'm just going to put these over here and we'll look at these one by one. All right. So pumpkin Czech beads, 8mm by 11mm. And let's see. There are product codes on each of these baggies, so if you do go on their website, you can look for that product code and find these beads if you want to order more, which is awesome. I love subscription boxes where you can go on their website and order more if it's something you really like, if you need more for a project. It would be nice, I think I said this in my last video, but it would be nice if things like the bags were labeled 1, 2, 3, etc., just to line up with the list. But that's a little nitpicky thing. That's just me. Alright, so these have to be the pumpkin beads. They are adorable. Really cute. We also have, let's see, ghost Czech beads. Alright guys, I actually paused my video and I just went through all my 30 bags. I have made sure everything's accounted for, and I put numbers on each one of these bags so I could quickly go through and I'm not digging around through the whole video. So it should make it a lot easier. Alright, so number 2 is what they're calling ghost Czech glass beads, and that is these, which you guys know from like the dollar bead box, if you get those, that they have been calling these voodoo beads. But look at the finish on those. I love the finish. These aren't my style or anything. I know a lot of people love them, and that's great. But I think the finish is awesome. And I'm going to set these pumpkins down. I'm going to try to lay out everything so you guys can see what we're getting. Then they included some jewelry connectors and antique brass. Actually, they're calling them connectors, but these are really like cord ends. Alright. And then number 4, leaf Czech beads. They're calling these. And some of these I had to make educated guesses on because they would call them things I wouldn't expect. But they're pretty cool, aren't they? Nice shiny black. I mean, already, you guys, they have really stepped up this box. I'm happy. Alright, number 5, they included jump rings. And you remember, they didn't have any of this stuff in the first box. They didn't have any connectors. Like findings is what I'm trying to say. Didn't have any of that, and that's what I was hoping they would include in their subscription box like their description had said. Alright, and then we have number 6, which are some awesome Trilobite beads, which you guys know we got some of these recently in the dollar bead box. They're new and I love them. They're so funky. Alright. Then they sent these gorgeous maple leaves. Beautiful. I love anything, any leaves and flowers are my thing. Very pretty. And our 8th bag is a Czech teardrop. Very chunky. Very big and chunky. That's awesome. It's a little rough on this side, if you can see. Maybe I'll wire wrap it or something. It's unusual. Okay, and then our 9th bag they included, which I'm excited about too, they included some waxed cotton cord. So glad they're including some cord. And then we have some more pumpkins, but they're yellow. So, but the same kind of pumpkin shape. Very cute. Number 11 are some seed beads. And they're 10-ohs. Number 12, they sent some Fishhook Ear Wires. Also in... Actually, no, these aren't ear wires. I thought they were because they were all bent up, but these are actually head pins, bald head pins, which I was just thinking I wanted some with this on the end because you can put them in the flower beads and it looks really pretty having that inside sometimes. I'll have to show you what I mean sometime on a finished jewelry update. So excited about that, and I like how the findings they did send, they're all in the same finish. So you can use these together, especially if you don't have much to start out with. Okay, 13. Some more flowers. Beautiful, right? Beautiful Czech glass flowers, and these are the what I was talking about, coincidentally. If I can take one real quick here and show you, you can feed this up through the flower, like if you're dangling the flower off of some chain or something, and it looks really cute having that bald head pin instead of like a flat, forgot what they call them, I'm drawing a blank, but the flat ones, or you know, if you had to do a little loop or something, it's just, it finishes it off nicely, if that makes sense. Okay, 14, some more skull beads, which I think these are also called voodoo beads, but maybe that's just these. I guess they're different, huh? So, pretty cool. Again, it goes in line with their autumn slash, I guess, Halloween theme this month. And number 15 are some pretty round disc beads. Love that color. Okay. Lots of stuff, you guys. Can you see the difference in this box compared to the last one? There's like twice as much stuff in here. Alright, then we have a European style bead. It looks kind of like a pumpkin. It's really cute. 17 are some mixed seed beads in a gold finish. So they include a good variety here. And then number 18, aren't these cool? Carved leaf check glass beads. Pull you in so you can see the close-up. Beautiful finish on them. And very interesting colors, very autumnal. Okay. And let's see, number 19. We have some cross check glass beads, which I'm sure these are not cheap. Not my thing, but that's okay. Still a really cool finish. So by the way, guys, I like to mention that I am going to have another giveaway when I hit 5,000 subscribers, which seems like it's coming up pretty fast. So I'm going to be including things that maybe aren't my thing in the bag, as well as things I really love, but don't worry, these will not be going to waste. Somebody is going to get, you know, things that maybe aren't my favorite that I'm sure they'll go to a good home and will be put to good use. Okay, so the next item is 20, and they're calling these fall fruit check glass beads. They look like those pumpkins, but they are light blue and white. That's cool. And then 21, check these out. I know these are not cheap. These are trilobites as well, but looks like they, instead of having the trilobites like we had here, it's the actual like imprint in a table cut glass bead. That's pretty neat. And number 22 are some beautiful floral antique brass connectors. Can always use those. Number 23 is some more waxed cotton cord in this beautiful cobalt blue. Number 24 are some round, they're calling pressed check glass beads. They look kind of like drucks. Alright, beautiful color. And then number 25 is, I love these, table cut check glass flowers, and again, these are not cheap to buy. So I know these are a great value, just these alone. because even on like the Dollar Bead Box website, which gives really good deals, these are $1 a piece to order. And that blue is really, really pretty. Awesome. Few more bags, guys. 26. Some more European style beads, which that means they have these larger holes. I can get them out. Just like that. And I like having some beads with larger holes like this, because once in a while I'm looking for some beads to put on thicker cord, and I don't have many in my stash. And then number 27, we have some Lobster Clasps. Again, antique brass. Loving that they coordinated the finishes on the findings. Wonderful. And we have number 28, which are more of our cute little pumpkins or fall fruits, this time in yellow and light blue. Cute. Number 29 are some more flower beads in this beautiful turquoise color, which they've included some other beads that are in the similar turquoise color, which is nice too. Alright, and then we have one more item, and that's 30. Some more skull beads. Some more funky skull beads. This time they've got a cute little pink color inside the engraving. Very cool. So I have to say, Czech Beads exclusive, you really did a great job, and I do stand behind this subscription box. I knew that I was going to be getting something a lot better this time around based on the update from the June box that I had seen in other boxes from July and August, and I am so pleased to see that you took the feedback seriously and really want to make your customers happy. I'm really excited that there were 30 bags, 30 different items in this little teeny tiny box. They really packed it full. I love that they ship worldwide for only $4.47. And the beads they include are high-end beads. These are specialty beads. These are not cheap. And so I know that there's a lot of value in this box. And I'd love to hear what you guys think, especially if you had seen my June video and you are watching this now, to let me know what you think about the box and the improvements, and let me know what your favorite items are. Leave me any questions you'd like to. I love to hear from you all. Please stay tuned, you guys, for many, many more videos to come. I have a finished jewelry update to come very soon. Some of you guys have been asking. I love to create videos based on the items that I receive in the boxes that you see on the unboxings. So please stay tuned for that, as well as many other videos. And as always, thank you so much for being with me and enjoying the fun in unboxing this box. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy. Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching.